Hello everyone, this is your Batang Indiana, your Filipino guide sa travel at buhay dito sa US. Today, nandito tayo sa Harvest Time in Lowell, Indiana. Pero bago yan, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tara, check natin dito.
We're here at Harvest Tyme Family Farm, one of the best places to see tulips in Indiana. Every spring, this farm features hundreds of tulips, making it perfect for photos, relaxing walks, and family visits. There's more here than just tulips. You can walk through beautiful flower fields, enjoy relaxing activities for the kids, and find photo spots everywhere you look. As of this filming, tickets are about $18.95 online and around $23.95 at the gate, so booking early can save you money. It's a great place to visit whether you're with family, friends, or just exploring on your own. Now, sit back and relax and enjoy the beautiful photos and videos of the tulips farm. If you are in Indiana or near the area, or you just love tulips, this is a must visit this spring. Don't forget to subscribe for more US travel, and thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video.